Take the guesswork out of contamination removal with Betabrade F1 Heavy Contaminant Remover, because not all contamination is visible. Use Betabrade F1 for every replacement on windshields with fritted or non-fritted glass. It removes heavy contaminants, even those you can't always see, including silicone, oils, and wax. Betabrade F1 is quicker than the standard wet scrub method, more effective on difficult contaminants, and will not scratch the frit like some scrub pads will. In this demonstration, the windshield has been treated with a hydrophobic contaminant. Water will gather in beads if the contaminant remains on the windshield. The right side is cleaned with glass cleaner. The left side is cleaned with Betabrade F1. Both sides are cleaned again using glass cleaner. Water runs off the Betabrade F1 side of the windshield because the contaminant is removed. Water beads on the side cleaned only with a glass cleaner. The contaminant remains. This can prevent the adhesive from cross-linking and bonding properly, often leading to windshield replacements that leak and bonds that could possibly fail, putting the driver and passengers at risk. Use Betabrade F1 for every replacement on windshields with fritted or non-fritted glass. Shake the container of Betabrade F1 for 10 seconds. Apply a thin 2 mm line of Betabrade F1 directly onto the entire bonding area, about the width of a matchstick. Using a clean, lint-free paper towel, gently scrub the bonding area in a back and forth motion until dry. Clean the windshield with BetaClean GC 800 to ensure the contamination is removed and there are no traces of Betabrade F1 in the bonding area. If some Betabrade remains in non-bond areas, don't worry, it will not affect the adhesive bond. The windshield is now ready for priming and installation. Use Betabrade F1 for every replacement on windshields with fritted or non-fritted glass. Betabrade F1 is quicker than the standard wet scrub method, more effective on difficult contaminants, and will not scratch the frit like some scrub pads will.